Yeah. Oopsie.
What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to see one of my friend. Because of this lockdown and everything, we were not able to see each other, but in this video I'm going Henderson to meet her. And right now I'm actually heading to the Britomart train station. और तो मैं फाइनली यहाँ ट्रेन स्टेशन पे आ चुका हूँ और अभी यहाँ से मुझे ट्रेन पकड़नी है हेंडरसन के लिए। और मुझे 5 मिनट के लिए वेट करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर और उसके बाद मेरी ट्रेन आएगी। Finally inside the train and this is going to take like 30 minutes to reach there. So as you can see, एक सीट पर सिर्फ एक ही आदमी बैठ सकता है। लाइक यहाँ पर कोई बैठेगा, इसके बाजू में कोई नहीं बैठेगा, उसके आगे एक जन बैठेगा, उसके बाजू में कोई नहीं बैठेगा। अभी एक्चुअली बारिश हो रही है एंड आई एक्चुअली फॉरगॉट माय अम्ब्रेला एट होम। एंड न्यूजीलैंड का मौसम लाइक हमेशा बेईमान होता है। लाइक लोग Hey, it's coming out. Who wants to come out? Milo, how are you? Hey.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
All right, she will give you banana, okay? Sit down. You remember me, Milo? Hey, okay, you wanna smell me? Here, smell.
He's on the leash, so he can't come any further.
So you want me to sit like this?
No, he's excited a little bit. You know he hates that.
That's how we call dogs in India, you know? Hey, you say he cannot come.
Yeah, this is it. Reunion, huh? See, good boy. You want to go back? I can't drive like that.
Okay, Milo, you go back. Go back. Okay,
good
that's
boy.
enough. Okay, so we're going to her place right now. How far is it?
Not far, 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes. It's still raining. Milo, sit down. Milo, please sit down. Sit down. Please, man, come on. Hey, I'm telling you to sit down, okay? Listen to me. Milo, sit down. Not here.
Oh, he is sitting.
Oh, he's sitting. But, okay, that's very advanced dog. Okay, Milo. Go down.
Nope.
Okay, I will go then. Hey. Okay, don't come in.
He likes you.
Okay. You like me, I like you, okay?
Good job.
Good job. Now we are friends.
Should be fine.
You remember me? New Indian guy? Long time ago I came with pizzas. Alright everyone, so right now we are going to make a cake right now because my birthday is on 5th June and I'm going to help her to make a cake. So this is going to be like a little celebration for my birthday, like pre-birthday celebration, right? With me, Sina and this Milo. So right now I'm having this food in my hand. So that's why he's being so nice that he's sitting down there, he's not barking at me. And he's doing whatever I tell him to do. Alright, so this is the butter and this is the pan. Peter Pan. Alright.
Just like a little bit. Just like you kind of do sugar and pepper and whatever. A little bit more. It's all covered.
So we actually melt the butter and we melt the chocolate. We got 200 grams of sugar here. And what we're doing next?
We need to put 200 grams of it.
What is it?
Almond milk. You know almonds, the nuts? That's when you crush them. Crack it.
Look, I don't know how to crack the eggs, so don't judge me, okay?
Okay, no shell in there, okay?
I can remove it if it goes in there.
Uh-huh. No. Crack it on here. Just slightly. It will work much better.
So the cake is ready. We're waiting for it to get cooled down for how many minutes?
Give it 10.
Alright, so after 10 minutes we will cut the cake. Alright, so here's the cake. Here's the Fumi. Say hi to camera, Fumi. Konnichiwa. Here's the cake.
Gotta get them all. Oh my god, that was good.
Alright, so I'm finishing this video here. Like, share and subscribe this channel.
Best channel ever.
मजे करो, मुझे नहीं पता कैसे करना है, बस करो, मुझसे मत पूछो. I will see you guys in next video, maybe next week or after 6 months.
Road trip.
See you, bye.
Bye.